Oh my god, it looks so good! What's poppin', you guys?
What's poppin', everybody? It's your girl Sarah Fina here.
Back at it again with another video. So today we're doing a vlog.
TTC, I feel like no ways about doing this. That's so crazy.
That's how we rockin', man. So what are we doing today?
So today we're gonna go get our nails done. Well, I'm not getting my nails done. She's gonna get her nails done. And then we're gonna ingest food.
No, don't say
Food. We're gonna have some food because we're gonna have the munchies after balling up, and then
why would you say that? What is this? No, we're actually just going to a picnic. Just gonna be chilling, having a chill day. It's kind of
you already know, nigga. Come with the smoke.
yo. She's actually fucked. I'm not smoking. She is. She's a fiend. She's a pothead.
And what about
yeah, we're just gonna be chilling, you know.
And then we're
gonna go.
paint.
Yeah, we're gonna do a little picnic painting and probably take some pictures, obviously. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Please like, comment, and
Okay, no.
please like, comment, and subscribe. She's a
Okay,
fucking
we're gonna be
asshole.
taking this. Is actually so disgusting.
I'm posting this. What is that? Oh my god, what is that?
Has herpes. That's what you're gonna name. That's what you're gonna fucking name the video.
Serafina has herpes. Ra-ta-ta-ta. I'm in the ghetto.
I'm in the ghetto. Ra-ta-ta-ta. Ra-ta-ta-ta.
Ra-ta-ta-ta. Yeah. But yeah, anyways.
We're not gonna post this.
Yes, we are.
Not this one. We're gonna take this one outside.
No, we're not. Anyways, please like, comment, and
No, like-
subscribe. Love you guys.
No, like.
So this is the fit of the day, you guys. I have a little, 2-pack. Hold up.
That's so deep.
A little 2-pack t-shirt and my local Red 4s.
Sis, you can't post the
Wait.
beginning.
I said me the new.
You can't post the beginning. Like the first video.
We're at Victoria Park Station.
Imagine me talking to you now listening.
Exactly. See, those are our buses for you UK mans that don't know what our buses look like. Why are you looking at me like that?
My bad. She has UK viewers. My bad.
You're so big.
Who's that?
You're so big. But yeah, guys, we're about to get in the train, yeah?
You cannot post the first
We'll
video.
chat to you guys later. Innit?
Put a mask on, yeah?
Okay, mask on. Mask off. Mask off. Fucking mask off. Okay, well, we have to link our other friend Luol. Oh, you guys know Luol. She was in my Dave vlog. Where the fuck are you going? Oh. Okay, we have to find her.
Who's that?
Yeah. Who's that? Yo, Wagwalu? Finessing the system. Hi, Lua.
What's happening, Chris? Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Hey, fam. Don't watch
It's
the
poppin'.
stain. There's like a...
A
I got a
cool
pen stain,
stain.
but... Hi, guys. Hi, vlog.
They remember you though.
From the...
Day vlog.
the day vlog. Okay, perfect.
But yeah, guys. See you guys in a bit, yeah?
In it.
Yeah, dead ass.
I brought their shit though.
You brought bear shit?
I forgot we were going to... vlog. Tell them what nails you're getting.
Getting square white nails because we only do white nails.
Okay. We're here at Hard Rock Nails. About to get our nails done. Say hi to the vlog. Salam. Say hi, say hi, say hi. Should I get long or short? I'm thinking. Because my nail beds are naturally long. Like, you know? Anyway. See you guys when my nails are done.
Guys, these are your nails. Show your nails. Period. Show your nails. Show your nails.
Set up ting.
You know how we coming, man. Which way are we going? Eastbound? Eastbound. But yeah, guys, I love this. Go to Hard Rock Nails. They're the best customer service. A bit pricey. Just a bit pricey. Yeah.
I wasn't wearing my mask. I'm not trying to get paid by you to subscribers, so I think we're gonna have to read that.
No, we're not. It's like,
Huh?
like she needs to think. Look at this, you guys. She needs to think. Think, innit?
We got your box on the fucking.
Yo, I would have pulled her hair, but you know,
You would have
Nice.
actually slapped on the camera.
so try me. Yo, remember I have claws now.
Hey guys.
Come back
Right now
here.
we're
The lighting is over.
man at Broadview Station, ATM, on our way to Lovers Park with the gang, Fina, Selam, you already know how we rockin'. You know, Shorty's gotten their nails did or whatever. You already know how they come in. They come in correct. I currently don't have my nails done, but it's fine because they have their nails done. Choo 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 choo. Oh.
Oh my god, did that actually go in your eye?
Actually very, bro. Like you're at, yo. Right now we're gonna crop a part where we put it into slow motion, and you guys see what happens.
Look at all that makeup. Look at all that makeup.
You can't even breathe. Straight up. Anyways, hey guys. The vlog has been taken over by me because Seraphina's rude and she keeps dissing me. But this is the outfit, guys. Who's that? Watch this. Go again, go again. She's creasing them, bro. Not even crease those shoes, but
walked in. No, you're so mischievous.
This is super cake face.
Super cake. Makeup. Look at that. If I do this, it's game over for her.
Trying to tank for no
Game
reason.
over for her.
I'm gonna drop the skin routine. Don't worry, guys.
Catfish.
All my girls comment about how Seraphina's a pick-me.
A what?
A pick-me.
So pick me. Choose me. Love me.
Me, shorty. Talking shit about
I
girls
keep
wearing
forgetting
makeup.
I have
You keep
nails.
fucking hitting me, bro.
I keep forgetting I have nails.
Boxed in the face. Why are we vlogging here instead of vlogging at the actual beach?
Because this is just, you do anything in a vlog, fam.
Just edit it. Editing.
This isn't the first vlog.
Okay, ready? No, ready? Ooh, you're covering the camera, bro.
You're covering the camera. Wait.
What's happening, guys? You know what? You know you rocking, man. You know there. No, I don't want Lua to freaking pick it up, bro. You freaking prick. The only reason why I'm getting it is because of Lua. Fuck off, pussy.
There are actually odds coming, so I don't want.
I'm funny.
No, look.
I think it's a rape.
No, that's what I'm gonna say. We should cut.
A what?
Bro, like at least 7-6 cops like pulled in. We should like leave.
What the fuck?
Hey vlog, 7-6 cops pulled in. We should leave.
Look, fam, look.
Ooh.
Fam,
Yo. Oh shit. Guys, we should move. We should go.
Now you're saying we should go. I've been saying we should
Yo,
go.
he has a gun out. Are you fucking stupid, bro? Let's go.
Who has a gun?
Yo, let's go, man. Yo, let's go.
Fam, you're going towards where these niggas are going. What do you mean?
Do the dash, then I go out the way. Rubber, nigga, she was rubbing nigga lace. We try to see 100 bands in our face. Yo, I'm scared. I don't know. Yo, can we start moving?
She says with her vlog
Guys,
out
let's
standing
actually
still.
go. That's fuck.
Yo, it's free up my nigga. Actually, I don't know what he did before.
Guys, what the fuck is... Don't say that. Why you
I
saying free up?
said I don't know what he did before I say free up. Anyways.
We trying to see 100 bands in our face. We gonna be eating good news every day.
The nigga looked like he was jogging.
No, he was doing the... How did all these officers lose him? Is everything good, officer? Okay. Just so y'all know, fuck the police.
My nigga said
Fam, you actually did the dash. How did you get all these cops?
no, but it looked like he wasn't even running.
No, he was running. He was zooming, fam. He was zooming. I seen him. He was like dashing.
How did he outrun all
All
these
these cops, fam. All these niggas came on all sides. Are we walking that way?
I mean, he was not beat. He was not beat
he was actually
whatsoever. If a nigga needs somewhere to hide,
He was sweet?
he was not beat, sir. You're looking for a place to hide out. Just kidding. If you actually did some serious crimes, you probably commit some
This Jeep was topping off a burner. Shit. Oh, you actually recording this? I didn't
Yeah.
even take it recording.
You know, for the content, in it. For the content.
I'm so happy they didn't ask us for a statement.
Oh, hell no.
Nigga,
I'm
we just got off the
dashing.
bus.
I'm dashing. Yo, where did we get off? Over there?
We got up right there.
I thought we got off over
We're
there.
the witnesses because you were being fucking spoiled.
No, they actually have to lock off the whole section so that way they can actually find them.
Yeah, for real. Okay, let's cross, you guys. Like, we've been standing.
No, not
No,
yet.
but we have to.
Yeah, but we've been standing the whole time. Like, why are we not moving?
Nah, they actually could not run. Did you see them?
Yeah, they're
actually
like.
running slow.
No, okay.
No, they're heavy.
He jumped. The reason he got away is because he jumped. With their heavy shit, like when it comes to jumping, the nigga wins.
Like he was actually shirtless. Did the dash.
I don't
He
know
was
about.
good. He looked
No,
good.
he actually-
No, he looked.
No, he actually looked ready
on my
to flip
mother.
that. I
On my
swear to
mother,
God.
he just came from having sex.
So basically,
This bitch.
This girl's explaining. Really? Okay. Wow. The white guy is actually
no, they're
attractive.
actually sweet. They're like, yeah.
You guys are so
Guys,
big.
what are we doing?
Anyways,
Why has
guys,
it not been like?
we will go back to vlogging once we get to the beach. Alright guys, so we're getting ice cream. Okay. You know the vibes. Oh, do you want to be in it? Why'd you catch feelings?
No, that's disgusting.
What?
Shut up.
Look at that! Look at that!
sound
Like,
like-
what? Look at the what? Okay, no, I'm just gonna mute that.
Yeah. Okay. So now you get what I'm saying. You hear it?
I would just mute that. But yeah, look at the background, you guys. That is so cute. Hey, you. Gang shit. We're here. You know the vibes. You know how we rockin', man. And okay, where's the lighting? Where the hell is the lighting? Is it over here? It's not over here. Chasing the lighting. Oh yeah, is that mine? Oh, okay. I'm like, that's so small for large. I should have bought my bathing suit. Could have sworn. I said, ooh. Look at that, you guys. You know how we rock it, man. You know how we come in. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, so how are we switching? Salam, hold this. Almost dropped my ice cream. Guys, so I don't know. Yo, your change. I don't know if you guys know about this. Wait, don't do it yet. I don't know if you guys know me like this, but I don't lick my ice cream.
She doesn't.
What do we do?
We bite it back.
Exactly. Let's
Oh, we're just gonna do it on.
Yeah.
We're just gonna expose ourselves.
What? Yeah, but
It's just a priceless thing, you know.
hold on. It actually tastes so much better when it's bitten. Hold on. My hat.
And it's not that bad. I don't know why people have to say it's bad, or like they don't even say it's
They're
bad.
sensitive.
It's sensitive to their teeth. Like grow up. If it's sensitive to your teeth, grow up.
Grow up.
Are you talking about biting ice cream?
Yeah.
Fucking weirdos.
Grow up.
So grow up. We made it.
We made it. We made it. Ah.
The view's beautiful,
Yo,
but
yo,
not
your
as
turn.
beautiful as you.
Aww, cutie. You're just jealous she didn't gas you.
Nah, we were doing plenty of gassing. Or you were getting your stupid toes done. She's catching up with you right now.
We're actually sitting on the beach, like on the sand.
I have a blanket.
Yeah, but on the sand.
Yeah, I think that's so cute.
Can we go somewhere on the grass?
You're saying we walked all over here just to do that?
Yeah. I hate sand.
I have slippers.
It's not that. I just don't like sand in general.
I don't know what to tell you.
It's shit. It's so messy.
Doesn't feel messy.
Yes, it does. I like the taste of it, but
Huh? Wait, you actually eat sand? No, don't say that. Fam. How do you skip? Wait, no, don't say that, fam. Wallahi, you actually do? Say wallahi, you actually do.
I don't say wallahi. I'm Christian. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it.
It's that flat.
That's flat right there.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. That's split. That's split right there.
No, wait, you actually eat it, fam?
Bro, this is so messy. And it's gonna get so sunny. Can we go somewhere where there's trees?
It's perfectly cloudy today.
Not at all.
Fina, if you want, me and Lou can sit right here and then you can sit on the grass. Best of both worlds.
Yeah. See how it's sunny already? Look at this, you guys. We're at the beach with my Jordan
Threes?
4s.
Those are threes.
Those are 4s. How are you telling me? Red
Those
4s.
are flights, fam? They're not real.
Flights?
Fam, you're wearing fake
Respect
Jordans.
me about flights. Do you know what
Why are
flights
you wearing
look like?
fake Jordan?
This girl, clearly she doesn't know her kicks. Clearly she doesn't know her kicks. She said about fake Jordans. Are you dumb? Put some respect. These are not flights, bro. These are bread 4s.
Those are flights, fam.
Alright,
She
you know what? I'ma just be quiet.
She said, time to expose you for your vlog.
The thing is, she's not exposing. If anything, people are gonna roast her. Yes, they will, because people know what bread 4s, the difference between bread 4s and flights are. And these are bread 4s. Like,
They're fake Jordans.
alright, love.
All right, love.
That's all I gotta say.
I'm just playing.
I know you are. You don't gotta explain it.
aggressive when you talk, bro.
It was a joke. Relax. God damn.
You're joking, fam.
Like-
actually be like, you're pissing me off.
Look, someone's sensitive.
Never had.
Someone's crying. Fucking pussy.
I thought you were the
Pussy.
CEO. Not Serafina telling me I'm the pussy. Not Serafina telling me
I'm
I
not
cry
the
too
CEO
much.
of pussy, but I am the CEO of crying.
Not Serafina telling me that I cry too much. Not Serafina telling me that
Bro,
I
shut up, man. Your voice is like, you know?
suck my dick.
Okay, so what are you waiting for?
Get on your knees.
Let's go over there.
Okay, my bad.
It's ugly ass. Like, she's not about it.
Like, what the hell is wrong with you? Scandal after scandal, bro. Can you just
What's yeah.
My favorite is Lil. Okay, you actually have to cut that one out.
You wanna be in the video?
Sure. What's up, people?
What's your name?
Isaiah.
Isaiah is selling hats here at Woodbine Beach. Last
I
time
know.
Woodbine.
The
cops
Woodbine?
trying to
Bro,
me, but they
Bluffers Park.
can't.
Chill.
What did you
No
say?
cops trying to get him. He is legally doing this, selling paintings, hats, just to support his family during COVID. So if y'all
So
ever find
beautiful.
yourselves at
Look at
Bluffers
this.
Park and meet Isaiah, please support him because
Definitely
we're
copy
supporting
it.
black-owned businesses. Hashtag BLM, hashtag lives like
And he
Wait,
made
bring
them
it closer.
himself.
I want to see the camera more.
You wanna-
Oh, that looks so clear.
Kiriana.
Ooh.
Ariana.
That iPhone 11 though.
Yes, sir. There you go.
Oh, look how clear I am. Look, I have a beard a bit. I'm gonna be so handsome in my 20s.
Yeah, yeah.
You're already handsome
I
though.
know. But my hairline goes all the way back to slavery though.
Rewind, what did you just say? What did you just say, bro?
You're a funny guy.
I know, I feel like I could be a comedian. I know I'm not funny.
Why don't you do that instead of selling like paintings?
What's it? What do you mean?
Like
What's
that.
it? You could
go
do
up to
both.
groups and be like, hey, a joke for $1, you know?
Yeah.
That's too funny.
Entrepreneur.
Do both.
Said slavery.
Y'all don't have anything to drink, please?
I do not.
Like water?
Do you want water?
Yeah, I take a water bottle, ma'am.
But like, you'd have to like.
Oh, I got you.
There's no, we have thing here. So are people nice to you?
Yeah, some people try to cut me loose, but you know, I always string myself back before they could unstring me.
You like my nails?
Imagine if I make nails with my art design on them like that.
You should.
And you should. They'd be mad.
That'd be. You know what else you should do? You should customize shoes.
I know I should. You could do that once you like.
Don't finish it, brother.
I know.
Yeah.
He said, don't finish it, brother.
For real.
So how much are these hats? Oh my gosh, this guy had to think about it. Wait,
How come you don't have a set price?
what the
No.
What the
It's not Pisces power. What it?
man. The boys and girls.
I personally do not have $20.
I actually don't even have cash, but
I take e-transfer.
you do?
I do.
Okay.
What's your e-transfer? What's your e-transfer?
Isaiah4155@gmail.com, mademoiselle.
You speak French?
Yeah, do you?
Comment ça va bien?
That's it?
Merci. Voilà, ici, merci beaucoup. Alors, ici, ça va.
Can I give you a little change?
Sure.
This is a donation.
You know what I said?
Yeah.
Okay, actually, I do not know how to speak French, but I only know here and there.
I actually
If
want to
I'm
get
in
one
a
of these hats though.
situation, I could maybe French.
Like I'm debating between this one and this one.
I like the green.
Yeah, me too. And it's also my favorite color too, right? So guys, support black businesses right there.
Support black businesses because you do not know where you're gonna end up tomorrow morning.
Period. Periana. You know what Periana means?
Happy day.
Wait a damn minute. What's popping, guys? I mean, we're just painting anyways, yeah. So we're gonna be painting. Guys, life hack, as Selam said, since she's gonna be asking for credits, so you just poke that. What's this sweater? Oh shit! I already posted. Tell me why.
It's the forehead for me.
It's the bangs for me.
It's the flat ass for me. It's the no tits for me. We're supposed to drag each other go. I feel bad now.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to fucking clean my feet, bro. I'm not showing
Anyways,
I'm not.
Yes, you are. Anyways.
Not my.
So we finished our art piece. Yo, what? Why is the lighting like
Not
that?
Serafina recording again.
Shut up, bruv. Anyways, this is my art piece. Since this prick doesn't want to show off her piece, this is my art piece. Isn't this cute?
No, show yours.
Yo, Lil, show yours. Yo, why isn't this shit standing? Okay. This is my piece. This is Lil's Piriana. Gang, gang. This prick doesn't want to show off her art piece.
Why?
I don't know why, but
That's exactly
that's
what I mean.
how it, you already know how we coming, man. She won't even know what it is. Now you're exposing yourself. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoy. Am I gonna take any more clips?
Maybe on the bus. Maybe at the subway.
Okay. If it does not end on, but yeah, if it doesn't end here, if it does end here, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this is like a local vlog, but I know you guys like my vlogs, so I had to, you know.
What are you guys saying? It's Serafina's channel. Here we're today with the vlog.
She's so beat. She's so ugly.
That's how all
I'm
YouTube
kidding. You're a
fucking
cutie.
videos
You're a
start.
cutie. You're a cutie.
Everybody drag Serafina for bringing her female friends down. Huh? What a pick me.
Anyways, guys, we are out. Like, comment, and subscribe, and peace out.
You're smart.